साधना से भोग, साधना के द्वारा भोग को पैदा करना, संसार के द्वारा भोग को मत पैदा करना। जो पास्ट कर्मस हैं, द पास्ट पवित्र शुद्ध कर्म है, उनको भोग में इनकैश नहीं करना, उनको जोड़े रखना और पवित्र कर्म करना, और उनसे जो भोग पैदा होगा उससे वैराग्य पैदा होगा, और उस वैराग्य से ही मोक्ष पैदा होगा। That is the way of living 200% life. What Lord Krishna said, every being must live 200% life. Why 200%? Because you have had a purpose of creating this physical body. And the purpose was to experience this Prithvi Lok with the help of this physical body. And if you do not experience, कुछ भी इच्छा रह गई, you will have to come back again. इच्छा को मारना नहीं है, इच्छा से लड़ना भी नहीं है, अपने भीतर पवित्रता को पैदा करना है। The purification should be a continuous process. Purify, ascend, and desire is a motivation factor. Desire is a motivation factor. Every planet has a subtle desire. Even your Mother Earth has a desire. That is why it is rotating. That is why it is moving. That is why the Mother Earth is ascending towards the Father and the Mother of the universe. The third dimension, it is moving towards infinite dimension. Every planet is moving towards infinite dimension. The Swargaloka, which is a Swargaloka now, was a Prithviloka at one time. The Siddhaloka, which is now the Siddhaloka, at one time was a Prithviloka. The ascension is a continuous process. And ascension, the deriving force of ascension is a desire. And till the time three gunas are there, the Tamaguna, Rajoguna and Satoguna, the desire has to be there. Because if the desire is not there, the death has to be there. Desire is the force which makes you move. If there is no desire, it is the death. And when the consciousness, which has these three gunas, when all these three gunas disappear, when the consciousness enter into a stage of nirguna, that is the stage of desirelessness. That is the stage of no desire. Because if the guna is there, that guna wants to accomplish something. And that accomplishment, seeking accomplishment, is a desire. So anybody saying have no desire, the poor fellow does not know the meaning of sadhana. Once you reach to that final level, a stage of nirguna, then the desire ceases to exist. But the desire of this dimension. Because at that level, you realize self, real I. Till now, you are feeling I. You are aware of I. Now that I may be of any ignorance. But once you realize the real I, and then you say, oh, why I was saying I want this, I want this. Whereas I am the creator of everything. And whenever, whatever I want, I can create. So why to have desire in advance? Let me be in masti. And whenever I will need something, I will just think of that and it will materialize into the reality. Aham Brahmasmi. I am the creator. I am self-illuminated. मुझे प्रकाश की भी जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि मैं स्वयं प्रकाशित हूं. मेरे प्रकाश से ही पूरा ब्रह्मांड प्रकाशित होता है. I am the purest of the pure consciousness.